If you watch YouTube often, you're probably already familiar with super chats on live streams. During a live broadcast, viewers can use super chats to send their favorite creators a one-time contribution of between $1 and $500. In exchange, users get a conversation comment highlighted, and as an added benefit, YouTubers frequently acknowledge these chat comments and answer them live during the show. Super chats aren't a possibility, though, if a YouTube creator mostly uploads edited videos rather than live streaming. Videos that have been uploaded can be monetized through advertisements, although this often requires a lot of viewers to be profitable. Users don't always want to commit to yet another monthly payment, therefore YouTube also gives viewers the option to pay for a premium subscription to a creator's channel. So, until now, live streamers on YouTube were the only ones allowed to monetize their work with one-time donations. Super Thanks is a brand new tool from YouTube that was just made available to all users, monetized via the YouTube Partnership Program, after previously only being accessible to some producers as part of a beta testing phase. The function gives producers a method for their viewers to financially reward them for a particular video. Let me explain. If you want to know if your favorite YouTuber is accepting Super Thanks comments, look right below the video's title, next to the thumbs up, dislike, and share buttons just like this. The button says thanks and features a tiny heart with a $sign. If you're confused, kindly check under the title of this video and you will definitely see this feature. If I'm one of your favorites, then you know the rest. Don't forget to hit the subscription button below, like and share. Once you've done that, enter your comment and the precise amount you want to donate. Currently, YouTube offers 4 options: $2, $5, $10, and $50, depending on the currency of your geographic location. Each will give your comment a unique color highlight to make it stand out as a Super Thanks comment. Any channel that uses the YouTube Partner Program to monetize its content can turn on Super Thanks for all of its videos. Please be aware that the feature must be activated by creators. Super Thanks is by default disabled. Go to the YouTube Studio dashboard and click on Monetization to turn on Super Thanks. Select Supers from the list of tabs at the top of the Channel Monetization page. After that, all you have to do is tap the Super Thanks slider to activate the feature. Simple as that. Revenue from Super Thanks is split with YouTube. Just like with YouTube's ad income split or other monetization options, creators receive 70% of the Super Thanks total via AdSense. We always try our possible best to produce amazing contents for our lovely viewers. Please, share the love by using the thanks button below this video's title.